Hi, my name is Kayla Griffith, and this is my Form A through D presentation. Table of Contents. I will be discussing Form A through D, and I will discuss what events I attended, as well as I included my resume and the extra credit activities I did. For Form A, I attended the Health Science Student Association meeting on 11/16/16. During this meeting, they discussed upcoming events to volunteer for, proper etiquette when it came to volunteering at events, and fundraising opportunities. They had two guest speakers come in. One was from Wellness Warriors and the other was from Latinos of Long Beach. Both of these speakers discussed membership opportunities and the upcoming events that their club had. The meeting was held in a professional manner. It started promptly and ended around the time it was supposed to. The information provided was very useful and the meeting was held in a friendly manner. I satisfied the requirement for Form B by attending the Dark Side of the Moon. The Dark Side of the Moon was a video presentation that was held in Irvine inside the Orange County Medical Association building. The video presentation lasted from 7 to 9:30 p.m. and it talked about the prominence of postpartum depression in females. The video was trying to bring awareness to screenings to test women to see if they might develop postpartum depression. It talked about the warning symptoms associated with postpartum depression and listed various places to go to for help. The target audience in this case would be medical professionals and expecting parents. The video provided a lot of useful information. The environment of the event was very sophisticated, and the audience was served a dinner before the event started. I satisfied Form C by attending the Central County Health Expo on October 30th. This event was hosted by Senator Janet Nugent and was located in Orange County. The purpose of this event was to give free health care to those who could not afford it. The event offered medical, dental, and optical checkups. My role as a volunteer was to escort the patients to the various stations of health care. I was specifically stationed by the area where they took vitals, so I learned tips on how to properly take vital signs. The event was very well organized and everything seemed to run smoothly. It also was a very useful event because it allowed a numerous amount of people to receive free health care. I satisfied Form D by attending the blood drive on September 8, 2016. This event was hosted by the American Red Cross Club and was held in the ballroom at Cal State Long Beach. The purpose of this event was to gather people to donate blood. The blood drive is also useful to the participants because when they're analyzing a person's blood to see if it qualified, they will notify the participant if they find anything abnormal. I helped with this event by donating blood. The event had a very friendly climate and seemed very well organized. However, I had a terrible experience at this event. My phlebotomist messed up when inserting the needle and caused me to be in a lot of pain. Then a second technician came over to try and help, but only caused me more pain. I am extremely afraid of needles, so this experience only made it worse. Despite having a bad experience, I still think this event is very important because the amount of blood they gather helps save a numerous amount of lives. This is my current resume. I have included my name and my contact information. My current objective is I'm interested in gaining experience in the medical field. For education, I attend Cal State Long Beach and my GPA is 3.63. For work experience, I included the 3 jobs that I have/had during the current school semester. So first off, I worked at this place called Boboloka. I worked there over a year, and as of November, like last month, I had quit, and basically at that job, I just made drinks. My second current job is I work as a part-time accountant for a company called Armstrong. And my third job that I currently do is I work at Warren High School, and I am the girls' assistant track and field coach. And then below I included some of the skills I gained from the 3 jobs I had over the semester. This is a continuation of my resume. I included the volunteering community service that I have gained from being at Cal State Long Beach. Most of it is from HSSA, which I joined this semester, and some of the events I did was the Leukemia Walk. I volunteered at the Central County Health Expo, as well as the Urban Drop-In Center. My goals would be to graduate college as a health science major and to be in a physician assistant program. And below that is 2 references from my previous/current employers. For extra credit, the volunteer activity I did was I attended the event called the Urban Drop-In Center on November 6, 2016. This event was held in downtown Long Beach at the First Congregational Church. The purpose of this event was to prepare food for the homeless and set up an area they could eat. My specific role at this event was to help set up tables and chairs and help sweep and mop the room that this event was going to take place in. The event was somewhat disorganized. In this particular case, there was too many volunteers, so many volunteers were sent home early or were just standing around because they had nothing to do. For health education training, I currently work as an assistant coach for a girls' high school track and field team. I applied during this semester, and as part of the requirement to get hired, all coaches had to take an online course. The online course instructed on various medical conditions/injuries athletes can suffer from, symptoms of these medical conditions/injuries, and treatment options. The purpose of the training is so that we could be better coaches and incorporate preventive measures to reduce injuries among our athletes and recognize when an athlete is injured so no further permanent damage takes place.